Hello listeners, we are Team Group Night Owls from BSEDSCI 322. Today, we will be performing an experiment about the true nature of electromagnetic waves. Now, enough dilly-dallies, and let's shave some fun, shall we? Here are the experimental procedures. First, pull out the piezoelectric material. Second, cut 4 pieces of electromagnetic wire. Third, cut 2 pieces of aluminum foil and fold it into half. Fourth, attach the folded foils into the 2 magnetic wires. Mount the magnetic wires with the folded foil on a stand. Make sure that there is a small gap or space between the 2 mounted wires. This will serve as an antenna. Fifth, create the loop at the end of the other 2 magnetic wires. Sixth, mount the 2 magnetic wires on a stand. Place the LED bulb into the loops. 7th, connect the piezoelectric material to the transmitting antenna. And lastly, push the button of piezoelectric material and see what happens. Why does the LED bulb seem to not work? Below are the reasons. How can we see the LED bulb flicker? Here is the simple solution. Thank you for watching and listening.